create an opportunity. So this one is done right within the platform as well. So if you're here on the dashboard view, we're going to navigate to opportunities and hit create opportunity. So on this one, we'll call this one test opportunity. One really cool thing about our opportunity creation is you can clone from an existing one. So if you have one that you'd like to add, you can do that here. And it'll automatically fill in the other things like client, value would be, what's the rough order of magnitude that you think for this opportunity, probability of you winning that opportunity as well, and then status. And status can be customized to be whatever you want, whether it's in progress, out for approval, whatever you need that status to be, it can be. And then closing date, obviously you just pick a date. So for this one, we'll clone it from this opportunity here, packaging line automation. And because we have all of these companies added, which you'll be able to see as well, you can pick a company and we'll give it a value of $100,000 and a probability of 50%. And we'll go through and we can create. And this brings in a lot of the requirements from an existing opportunity. So you could just kind of go in and start from scratch if you want, pull in all of your photos and videos and requirements all into here for your description. You go through with requirements and you could see here that we had some of these from the opportunity that we cloned, but you could go in and you can have all of your own requirements, anything here. So let's say you had a max payload of 50 kg. You could add that in there. And there you go. That's how you create an opportunity.